Hey everybody, my name is Erin Esposito, but I go by Nikki. I really hate doing these videos just because I hate listening to myself talk, and I talk super fast when I get nervous. So I'm really going to try to slow down and make it to the 3-minute mark. I'm 32 years old, and I currently work full-time as a medical assistant for an orthopedic surgeon. I've been there for going on 10 years now. We specialize in sports medicine, and I really enjoy my job and taking care of all of our athletes, young and old. During the fall, you can usually find me on the sidelines every Friday night for a high school football game, and we travel with South Carolina State University every Saturday. Go Bulldogs. I actually had surgery on my elbow on Friday, so I've been struggling a little to say the least, as I'm very right-handed, but I hope to get back to normal pretty soon. I'm applying to PA school at the University of South Carolina this cycle, so I'm taking this course as a prerequisite for that program. I got my bachelor's degree originally in 2010 from Clemson University, where I majored in psychology with plans to attend PT school. But life happened, and here I am 10 years later working on redoing my prerequisites for the PA program. I live in South Carolina with my two dogs, Remy and Rusty, who keep me entertained and are very likely to make their own appearance at some point during this course. This is my first time taking a course through Doane University, and I'm excited to see how it goes. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy amidst the COVID craziness. Life for me has definitely changed quite a bit, as I'm sure it has for most everyone. Luckily, I work in an outpatient setting separate from the hospital, so we've been able to function pretty close to normal, just with a lot of new precautions and procedures in place. Wearing a mask all day has definitely been the most annoying part for me, so kudos to those in positions that have to do that all day, every day. During my free time, I enjoy spending time outdoors at the beach or the lake with my friends and family, and I really miss being out and about. I also enjoy planting flowers, but have unfortunately realized that I definitely don't have a green thumb, and nearly everything I plant dies. Hopefully things get back to normal for everyone soon. I hope you all have a great summer and a great semester. I'll let you guys meet Rusty. This is my little dog, as he's the only one that I can actually handle right now, and just trying to make up some time. So this is Rusty. He likes to annoy me, and anytime I'm trying to sit in the quiet, he usually comes in there barking or trying to play. So you'll likely see him again.